Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Now, if you're like us and you love to host, then I'm sure your cocktail shaker gets a lot of use. So maybe it's time to upgrade. This one is from Magcheer, and it is seriously the best one I've ever tried. One of my favorite features is the fact that both the lid and the top screw on, so there is no leaks. It has a really good seal on there, and you know that the liquid is staying inside. Another incredible feature is the fact that it has all of the measurements on the inside. So you just twist off the top, make sure the lid is secured so that it doesn't leak out. And then you can see that it has all the way from 1/2 ounce to 9 ounces. So you can make a single cocktail in here, or you could even batch it and make 2 or 3 at the same time. It's very nicely insulated. This one is obviously in the gold finish, which I love, but it does come in other options too. It even comes in a great carrying case. I have brought this to friends' homes. It's always a hit. They love trying it out, but it's really portable to take with you. It has extra tools too, like the muddler. It also has spouts so that you can put them directly on your liquor bottles and have a really smooth pour. It has a spoon to stir, all sorts of stuff so that you will be the best bartender. Overall, the quality of this is top notch, super well insulated, very well designed. I think you will absolutely love it, as will your guests, and that's my point of view.